In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter on a Mercedes-Benz GLC300. It's located in the passenger compartment right by the feet. So we're here under the passenger compartment, right under the glove box. So you're going to take this guided shield down. It's just a little insulator, and there's one screw holding it, and it's a T20. And we're going to take the screw down. Then we're going to undo the interior light. Once we get that down and out of the way. And it just has clips on it, so you just need to grab it and pull. So now we're going to take this courtesy lamp connector off. Just push down that tab and pull that out of the way. Let's pull this down. We have another little courtesy lamp or sensor right here, so we're going to turn it, pull up. That's an interior temperature sensor. And now we can get this right out of the way. So now we're going to remove the floor mat before we pull the carpet back. There's two mounting clips right here, the little round plastic things. I'm going to unsnap them. That one's already unsnapped. And let's just get that right out of our way. So now we have to remove this carpet, just pull it back some so that that cabin air filter door can be pulled down. So they tell you to move, put your hand up in here, and just pull this carpet back. We're going to have to fold it over, kind of like that. So now you see this little slide piece in these ears. You're going to slide this right down over those ears, and the door just comes right down. Set it aside. Now we're going to grab that cabin air filter and pull it down. So now we can install the new cabin air filter. Find the location. Find it easiest to put the bottom side down inside the carpet probably first. Now we can put the cover back. Make sure all ends are angled. Make sure you get it underneath the cowl. So now we're going to be putting our underside kick panel back, but first we have to put this air temp sensor in. It goes in that tower right there, twist and lock. And then we have the actual little dome light underneath here. Once you get this up and underneath, line it up. You're going to line up all the little tabs and spots. And push it up. And we'll put that one last little screw in. That's with a T20. Let's get the floor mat, and then we'll be done. Grab your floor mat. Bring the front all the way up. That way you can line up those little plastic tabs, and then push down till you hear them click. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.